Right now, if you go to MEXC, make a VIP account, the link in the description, half price trading fees, and you can deposit and trade to earn up to $20,000. I want to thank everybody for watching CryptoRevolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin pullback. Watching Bitcoin here, post in the group, my alerts were going off. Potentially break this lower trend line, you get a bearish retest, you're looking for a move down to 25,500. Right? So unless the bulls can pull this off and put in a miracle, there's some downside ideas for Bitcoin. We had a lot of negative news come in here lately. Right now it's like 12:30 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. And I'm going to go over this news, and it's big news. It's very important, and it's not amazing. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. So leverage trading group, day after day after day, we kill it. 132%, 113%, 101%, 99%. The Bitcoin short we had open. Bitcoin, again, you got constant updates. Follow the leader, follow the leader. Bitcoin short, taking some profits at take profit 1, take profit 2. You'll have somebody walking you through the trades. Send me an email, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Cheapest prices ever to get in the leverage group of the spot groups. $100 off, $200 off, and 60% discount right now. The most important thing is you've got to learn to make money in this market, no matter which way the market's moving. That way your bag is big when this market takes off. Bitcoin halving is coming. So Israel says that Binance has helped seize Hamas crypto wallets. And you can see this person was ticked. Law enforcement is freezing Palestinian accounts on Binance, clearly not decentralized. Binance happy to work with the authorities, being that they're under fire themselves. We're going to talk about that in a second. British regulators warning 143 crypto firms, including KuCoin. That wasn't amazing news that came out earlier. Another thing to talk about is Brazilian Congress is putting Binance CEO CZ in its crosshairs for an indictment. They want CZ and 3 local Binance executives to be indicted for fraud and other financial crimes. Is this FTX number 2? In the background, this is going on. FTX, right? All this fraud, and they're implicating Sam Bankman-Fried, diverted $10 billion of clients' money. So the girlfriend is going to provide unprecedented insight into the inner workings of FTX and Alameda, and showing how they siphoned $10 billion from clients. Then you've got Coinbase versus the SEC, but state regulators are backing the SEC in the Coinbase lawsuit. So the lawsuit saying that Coinbase allowed trading of digital assets that qualify as securities without registering them as a national securities exchange. SEC is contending that at least 9 tokens listed on Coinbase were securities. This is a huge case. It's going to set a precedent, right? Going forward in the future, you want to see Coinbase has got to win this case. We've already had good rulings for XRP Ripple, right? Ripple XRP. And then you've had Uniswap win, where they couldn't be sued. They are too decentralized, the judge stated. Too decentralized. And there was a bunch of rug pulls happening on Uniswap, and Uniswap wasn't at fault. So a lot of important ideas to watch and understand. You guys got to remember, banks are getting freaking wrecked too. They're getting nailed and hammered. It's just not crypto projects and crypto exchanges. This was a situation where banks were hit with $550 million in fines for using text messaging that evaded regulatory's reach. Jim Cramer is calling for a huge Bitcoin sell-off. This guy is wrong a lot. Some people are like saying, oh, this is the bottom signal. Jim Cramer is saying sell, sell, sell. $4.5 trillion asset manager Fidelity says Bitcoin is the most secure, decentralized, sound digital money compared to any other digital asset. Let me add that it's much better than the United States dollar, which is becoming worthless. Every single day it just gets worse and worse and worse. We've got big news coming. Later today, the FOMC meeting minutes are coming out. So this has already been discussed, and this is just verbatim what was discussed at the last FOMC meeting. And so it's just going to give the market an idea of how long they're going to pause. Are they going to hike rates one more time? We're looking for clues out of these minutes that will be released later on. Also, Thursday, your inflation numbers are coming out, right? So we want to see inflation in check. If inflation is high and you get another rate hike out of the government, it just makes it a lot worse for the average citizen. Like the middle class is getting pinched. You've got crazy interest rates. You want to buy a car, you want to buy a house, the interest rates are out of control. But that's what they do to stop inflation. Inflation is crazy. We're going to see an energy crisis with everything that's going on globally with Russia. No one's getting gas and oil. Israel, Hamas situation that doesn't help anything. So again, energy crisis on top of all these ideas. There's a lot of uncertainty in the world. This is 2018, and I was just talking to the group about this is the beginning of the bear market. Right? We're 86% of the way to the next Bitcoin halving. Life-changing money is coming. But just as an example, in 2018, it's like always something. Banning Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin got banned for the 15th time in China. Goldman Sachs, they were supposed to, in 2018, they were supposed to launch a Bitcoin trading desk, and they didn't. And then the market just went sideways, did nothing, and nuked. Tether dropped 15%, all kinds of Tether FUD. You want to drop the price of Bitcoin, you talk about China banning Bitcoin, and you talk about Tether FUD. Tether dropped 15%. And so it made Bitcoin look like it pumped from 6,000 up to almost 7,500. Right? But this is a USDT traded pair chart. Back here, I was on the ground in Florida buying Bitcoin at a hotel with my family at night. Bitcoin dropped from 7,500 down to 5,000. Hit the 200, and then it ran up to 20,000. I was on the floor buying Bitcoin on my phone. Funny, like it's always something in crypto. It's always something. And then the market takes off and everybody FOMO's in, FOMO mania rally. Remember, the last halving happened. Here's your panic situation drop. The last halving was in this area. And then what happened? Up only. It's coming. All right, we're counting down. 86%. We have 14% left to go. 2 to 4 months before the actual halving, we've seen run-ups begin. Here we had panic situation sell-off. Will we get the Black Swan event sell-off where we can load our bags crazy? If we do, have money on the sidelines to load it up. This player versus player. This game, crypto, trading, altcoins always get wrecked every single bear market. Tell me an altcoin that didn't get wrecked, as they all do. It's like Bitcoin typically loses 84%. If you do not know the rules of this game, you cannot win. Keep watching this channel. I will help you make a lot of money in this market. Just acknowledge you have to be better than at least some of the market participants. Level up your skill set. Continue to learn and progress. In the long term, you will win if you learn some basics. This gentleman said, sounds like the greater fool theory, which is basically buy an asset at a price and you're looking for a greater fool to pay a higher price for it in the future. Yeah, I mean, a lot of these coins, it's like cash grabs, and this isn't the most solid space, and it's evident with what's been going on in crypto. The government needs some regulatory clarity in the United States, and we will be a lot better off because that's what's holding these financial institutions back right now. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.